All right, let's take a look at where we left off last time. We really did just some basic movement. This is going to be a quick video. We're really just going to cover how to make a character jump like this when you hit spacebar. Now, if you remember in edit project settings, we looked at this horizontal and we looked at this vertical. Well, look down here, you can see there's a jump input and it's mapped to the spacebar. So let's take a look at this script. So at the top here, I added a float called jump speed and then another for gravity. And then all we did inside of the update function is we wrapped those two move direction variables inside of an if statement. And what this if statement is checking is if our character controller, remember that's this guy right here, and it has some built-in stuff. One of the things that it has built in is this ability to check if our character is touching the ground on the y-axis. So if it is, then we're going to determine the move direction. And then we're going to say, hey, if we're touching the ground, what we can do is we can hit the space bar here. And once we hit the space bar, it's going to set the move direction to this jump speed variable we have up top, which is at 8. And then this is what does the magic of pulling our character back down to the earth. It's move.y minus, and remember, this is shorthand for this right here, move direction minus equals move direction dot y minus gravity. It's really much the same thing there. So this is like, this is a shorthand way of saying this right here. So I'm going to comment this out. We'll use the shorthand one. And then our character controller is essentially the same. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of these are new, some of these variables, so you can pause the video here. And then that logic in our update here is pretty new. So just kind of pause that and take a look at that and then save it. And you'll have a character moving around. Now what's cool about this is inside of this view, we can go to Tools, Pro Builder, and we can start thinking about until our next lesson how we're going to design our level. So you can make a platformer, you know, like this. And I think one other thing we'll probably do is, let's see. All right, we're up top here, and then our character falls down. We'll have to get that camera working, and I'll get that camera script written and a video on that pretty soon.